Hello friends, Dylan here. Coming to you live from the Dillon estate. Oh, give me a second. Having a cold beer, enjoying the afternoon, and keeping some birds out. For crying out loud. Good God, I know that cat house is going to be a train wreck. I'll fall over that, I guarantee it. Let me get up here before I fall off the ladder. Let me get up here and show you what I'm talking about. That right there keeps the birds out of the channels of my carport. For crying out loud. Yes, it does. And you know what else is ironic? Look at this. A beer fits right in there. I know. It's crazy. I don't know. The stars are aligned. It's all coming together. I don't know. I'm going to get off this ladder and I'm going to go in the house and grab my guns because it's just too good. But y'all have a wonderful one. And stay safe.